Hey, it's Mark, American Tank. We're in the shop again, actually out of the shop. We're out front. I heard this ladder is going to ship out and I just wanted to show it to you real quick. So again, it's a hot dip galvanized steel ladder that's going to go on a Norwesco 10,000 gallon poly tank. And you know what? It's going to attach without any bolt holes being drilled into that tank. People are just loving these. This product line's really taken off for us. So I just wanted to show you this one really quick. Full locking rung cover here on the first 6 feet of the tank. Then you got a OSHA cage for the balance of the rungs going up the ladder. And we even gave them some mounts here to actually bolt it to the roof if they want to. They probably won't need to. And when they see how stiff this thing is once it's strapped to the tank. So we've got our ratchet straps here, aircraft style ends. These are so cool, man. These just click on, boom, they're done. You run that strap around the tank this way, and that's gonna come up into your ratchet here, and you snug it up, tighten it up, and you're done. So, and we alternate our ratchets, left, right, left, right, left, right. So if you have all your ratchets on one side of the ladder wants to slide on that tank when you tighten it up. It's strange. So if you alternate them, it wants to stay in a straight line and stay still. We do have a non-skid surface on the back side of these mounts. And what's really cool is whatever the diameter of your tank is, you give us your tank drawing or you go out with a tape measure and you tell us what it is. We curve these brackets custom for every order. So these fit the tank curvature for your tank exactly. So super easy to install. Once you get it up in place, it takes just a few minutes to get the straps around. We did a really good video with a few tricks and tips on a big tank, how to not have to get out a bunch of ladders and people and just do it with 2 people, like super easy, really fast. So great product. I think we just got an order for 10 last week from another customer, and it's doing really well for us. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it, and we really love putting these together. There'll be more in the future, and in the meantime, if you have any questions, give us a call. Our team's here and ready to help. 877-655-7100.